let's go on an adventure. Let's go, wolves. Hello wolves, what's up? Hope you're good. So today we're gonna unbox Magic Chess. So this is actually my first time trying this box, and it's coming from Germany, in case you were wondering. So it's Europe based kind of thing, so no custom fees, anything on this box. And I will put the link to their shop down below in the description box. But this is as other bookish boxes, a monthly box subscription, so you order and you get a box every single month, but you can also choose 3 months, 6 months. So I found this box like a little while ago, and I was like, oh, I want to try it, but I already have few boxes. I'm gonna have to wait, blah blah blah. And one day I was like, screw it, just order it, try it, and you will see. So I order it, and I love the design of this one, like just like the dragon coming up of a chest, and I really love it, magic chest. So I hope it's gonna be magical inside. Let's open it, wolves. Question for you wolves while I'm opening it. How many boxes are you subscribed to? Because now I'm subscribed to, oh, what was it? 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes. Okay, so it looks like this. Let's open it. Woohoo! Okay, here I love the color, everything is matching. And share your love on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, Magic Chess. Okay, so first what I see is this. So September theme is love yourself, and you can see it here. I mean, like, here is the name of the box, and on the other side you have the name of the theme. Ooh, there is a letter here. Dear Natasha, because actually Sasha is just my nickname, in case you didn't know. Dear Natasha, we're happy to have you on this special adventure. The theme this month is love yourself. We want to give you the opportunity to take a break from your daily life and treat yourself with a bookish night snuggled up in your favorite blanket. Bilbo, Alice, and many others will be joining you on your adventure of self-love. Okay, so I'm not gonna go further because it's actually like a letter full of spoilers. I mean, giving you all the information about what's inside. So the creator of this box is Clara, in case you didn't know that. And yeah, we hope you will enjoy your box and share an unboxing with the hashtag Magic Chest. Our new October theme is Myth and Monsters, and will be perfect for fans of Game of Thrones, ancient monsters, and long forgotten myths. That's totally for me, but I've already ordered it before trying this one. But you know what, who cares? My wallet, maybe. Okay. Ooh, there is a smell. Something is coming from this box. Really good smell, really nice smell. Okay, so first I have this. Oh, it says Veda Light Organic Soy Wax Candle, Hobbit Hole, handmade in Germany. I mean, like, it's so cute, and it comes on a, let me open it, wait. I think this is so cute. This is the cutest candle I've ever got in a box. Look. The exclusive cupcake shaped candle by Veda Spirits doesn't only look tasty, it's also full of calming scents like sage, bergamot, and cedar to help you unwind after a stressful day. I can really tell you it smells so good. And by the way, I'm gonna show you this at the end so you can read it. This is such an amazing way of telling you the items in this box, because it's just giving you, like, in case you're feeling like unhappy or whatever, you might enjoy this from this fandom or whatever. It's really nice. I'm gonna show you at the end. If I forgot that, please ask me and I will add a picture somewhere on Instagram or whatever. This is so good. I mean, such an amazing idea. Okay, let's open a second item. Okay, then we got this. I have absolutely no idea what it is. Ramos Lupin Balm and Honey. Oh, this is, oh, I love it. I love it. This is my little Moony. Moony. Oh, I love it. Oh, that's so cute. And I love the colors. And let me, oh, it smells so good. What is it? Enjoy your bath with our exclusive Ramos Lupin bath salt by Chess and Fandoms. Oh, that smells so good. Doesn't say the smell. Balm and honey. Am I stupid? Then we got a pen. Never forget who you are. I think this is from Game of Thrones. Yeah, but Tyrion of House Lannister taught many of us, including Jon Snow, that embracing yourself can give you the strength you need when times get tough. Never forget what you are is a powerful quote. Yeah, and this is a gorgeous pin, by the way. I really love how it looks. White, black. This is so me. Oh, I love this box. Okay, then we got a bookmark. Oh, that bookmarks matches the theme, right? How long is forever? Sometimes just 1 second. This is Alice in Wonderland. Yeah, right. Am I right? This is Alice in Wonderland. And on the other side you have like the theme kind of thing. Yeah, with your new Alice inspired bookmarks, you will find the heart of the box. And the book is Twice Dead by Kathleen Seal. And I love the cover. Look at it. This is awesome. I love it. Look at the back. That's I never seen this book anywhere. This is a tall book. Yeah, it's as tall as 6 of Crows. And how it looks naked. Oh, this is gorgeous. I love it. And here, I love it. And we got a signed book plate here, which is pretty cool. Okay, I've never heard anything about this book, so just let me read it with you. Are monsters still monsters when you become one? When Nia Garth leaves her native Tamir on a trading mission for a merchant father, she is stuck down in the streets of Seramore. Murdered, But she doesn't enter the afterlife. She lives again as a Worth. I'm not sure how you pronounce that. Through Worth, don't leave. They don't breathe, they have no pulse, they have nothing left to live for, or so Naya thinks. When she's visited by the ambassador of Talmir, she learns that her father's trade was not just goods for secrets. He is a Talmiran spy, and he claims that Seramore is raising an army of the undead to attack their beloved home country. Desperate not to be rejected by her father, Naya agrees to turn spy herself. But before she can uncover evidence to prevent a war, she must learn what it means to exist as one of the undead. And she must come to terms with the art or the curse of necromancy. Fortunately, her teachings come in the form of the handsome young glassblower's apprentice, Cortine, who is also a former necromancer and a bred. Unfortunately, her loyalties require her to lie. To him, to everyone, even to herself. It sounds interesting. So the author, Caitlin Seal, is a writer and compulsive reader living in Northern California. I've never heard anything of her. Twice Dead is the first book in Necromancer's Song series. Oh, it's gonna be a series actually. Wait, there is something left. Okay, Myth and Monsters, so that's the theme for the month of October. So I really love this box, like I'm intrigued by what it is. Okay, well, so that's the end of the unboxing. Let me know what you think about this box, because I found this candle pretty unique. I never got anything like this in any boxes. I really love the pin actually, the Game of Thrones one. I'm intrigued by the book, and I love that it has something to do with Alice in Wonderland. So I'm really building this box actually, and I'm happy I've already like subscribed, paid for the October one, especially with monsters and myths. Like hell yes. Have you heard anything about this book? Because I haven't, but I'm intrigued, and I really love the cover actually, and I love the synopsis. It really sounds good. And is it a chunky book? Like, it's a tall book, yeah, over 300 pages, but it sounds good. And I love, like, the cover is not just nice, but it's so soft. I really love it. Yeah, so honestly I really love this box, and especially because it's Europe based, so it's easier for custom fees, if you know what I'm talking about. Okay, well, so thank you for watching as usual. Thank you so much, it means a lot to me. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you're new here, first, welcome, but don't forget to subscribe as well so you can be a part of the pack, because we're like a family here, a very strong one, full of wolves. Okay, I'm gonna stop babbling here because I can be sometimes very annoying and I'm very talkative, so you know what, sorry for that, but not sorry. Actually, yeah, sorry but not sorry. That's better to say it. Yeah, no, whatever. Okay, well, so talk to me in the comments. See you soon, take care, and bye.